Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro, and today we are going to make the face unlock test. We are going to see how it works, if it is fast or not, and if it is reliable. So the first one, just take a look. It's really activated right now. When I put my face in front of the camera, it just unlocked the phone. So let's start the test and let's see how it works. So as you can see, it's very fast. I can even say that it's one of the fastest face unlock method that I have ever used in the smartphone. I think that is at the same level as OnePlus 9 Pro. And I think that it's even faster than the fingerprint sensor that you can find right here on the right edge on the smartphone. So yeah, definitely it's reliable and it's really fast. And just take a look how the fingerprint looks. Okay, I think the speed of the fingerprint sensor and the face unlock is the same on the smartphone. Yeah, so definitely the good point for the smartphone, fingerprint sensor and face unlock is really good. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.